everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I cannot hide this anymore. DP with sparklers. You know it. You love them. Tina and their family. I keep buying them out. Every time I open their website, has come out with their own diamond paintings. I am floored. This is why I go to retreats, people. Retreats. We're having another retreat in June 2022. This is mixed drills. Mixed drills. This picture shows me what mixed drills is. Are you kidding me? So I am going to dive into this. There's going to be a little bit of crinkling where I take the plastic off, but I wanted you to know I did not peek. Now, what I loved is at the retreat, Tina had actually, I don't know if she did it or someone else, had actually done this one so I could see with my own eyes how it turned out, and that I was floored. I'm like, I need that in my life. This box does have an how-to diamond paint on it if you're brand new. But let's see here. Oh, okay, so in the box you have this wrapped, and then you have your drills next to it, and then you have your toolkit. It's a simple toolkit, but you know, that's okay because the toolkit is not why I have these. Oh, I'm dying here, I'm dying here. Okay, so the toolkit, you get a single placer, which is this thing to put your drills down. You get a tray, you get some wax, and you get some baggies. Are you ready to see this picture? It got a little crinkled, but that's okay. OMG. Oh, look at that. Isn't she beautiful? Oh, and I saw this done, and I'm like, I had to buy it. I was like, I don't care how much it is. I have to get it. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 37 colors. So I'm going to write that 37. Whoops, I wrote 36. 37. Now I am using my logbook right here. I'm going to be cutting this out, putting it through my sticker machine, and putting it right here so I can see. I have used it for others as well. This kit doesn't have a name. It's TN0003. I'm going to name it Hawaiian Girl. But I am going to put TN0003 up here just to make sure. It was $40, but I got it on sale because of the retreat. I am going to look up who the potential artist is, and I'll put it on the seller store name because the website I got it from was DP with Sparklers. This log sheet also has date started and completed, and then I'm going to go through the star rating of canvas quality, drills, shipping, advertising of the product, overall impressions. The shipping is kind of null and void because I was handed it, so I'm just going to put handed in person. So there's no points against that. And let's look at the drills, because this is Tina. Tina is known for her drills. And what I noticed here is you've got your normal DMC, but then all of a sudden you come down here and behind is AB, 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 and then there's L. And I'm wondering, what is that? And then there's a Y. What in the world? Okay, so this is how they come. And then they have little stickers so that you can do one through whatever. I will probably put the DMC on a label maker instead, but that's how I prefer. Oh my goodness. Okay. So we have our normal DMC colors, right? 310s. But look how vibrant these are. 606, 702, 704. Look at that pink. Oh my goodness, 740. Okay, so we've got that. We've got 2 more rounds of just these beautiful, look at all these colors. And then all of a sudden you get to these ABs. Oh, they're beautiful. Okay, I'm making a mess of everything, right? This was the Y, so this is the one special. And then these must be all of the crystals. So you have one, these are the same color. So 1, 2, these are the same color, 3, these are the same color, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 crystals, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. What? I am blown away. Blown away. So we're gonna stick this over here. I did put in my logbook, it was mixed drills, but I'm gonna put notes down here in the bottom. So we have 4 ABs, 1 special, and what did we say, 6 crystals? Woo! Oh my goodness. Can it get any more exciting? I don't know. We will have to see. I have baby brains, so I talk funny all the time. Okay, so it has the serged edges. It's a canvasy feeling. And Tina put, don't let anyone dull your sparkle. I love her slogan. And I know you saw the picture, but guys, when you see it, it's gonna floor you. It is going to floor you. Okay, so that's where the special goes. Look at this. OMG. This is stunning. Stunning. Can I say stunning anymore? So at the top is, I'm sorry, there's so much noise. I apologize. Shine Bright with DP with sparklers. Look at her. Look at her. She is breathtaking. Breathtaking. She's like, oh, I know it. I know it. Crystallize me. I know it. I know it. Crystallize me. Oh, Tina, just take my money. Just take my money and run. So this is supposed to be, let me look real quick, 68 by 78. So let's measure it. Okay, so they are doing by canvas size, not by drill size on their packaging. So this is actually 59.5 centimeters wide by 70 centimeters. So I have mentioned in some previous that sometimes companies go by canvas and sometimes companies go by drill. So currently the factory she's using is going by canvas. Now let's look at the actual symbols. We're going to kind of get a close-up view. One thing I see here is like those 2s and X's. You can see them clearly, but it's dark. So I'm pretty sure, and then the 1s, those are dark. You can tell, and with a light pad, it's going to be fine. Those U's are dark. But I have a feeling eventually as she works with the factory, this is her first take on it, and it's actually phenomenal for her first take, that the factory she'll probably start getting little tweaks here and there. However, they are very clear. They're not distorted. You can see them with a light pad. You're going to see them even more amazingly. And this... my gosh, I can't believe it. I can't wait to work on this. Tina, you have truly outdone yourself. And this one is round, so I may even put some sparklers in here. Ah! I know, getting too much, right? Too much. But sometimes you gotta do it. You gotta do it. So go check out DP with sparklers. I know she's had stickers in the past, but this is a whole new ball game, people. Go check it out. I can't wait to support her and buy more. So until next time, be blessed, take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.